Good day. Welcome back to my channel, Geek Girl Cook. Today, we're going to be making greens. We're going to be making collard greens mixed with kale greens with some smoked meat. All right, let's get started. All right, in my greens, I'm going to use some Lowry seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some MSG, because I'm an MSG girl. All right, we're going to start by cutting up the greens. What I do, you see this big thing, the stem? Oh, baby, gotta go. Gotta go, go, go. Now look, I'm going to warn you ahead of time. These greens are not the best greens. Now, in my neighborhood, they're putting them in bags where you can't see what's inside in the middle. So they're not that great. They're not that great, but I'm taking the best ones and I'm using them. All right? We're gonna cut the stem out. Unless you want the stem in. It's kind of big and thick. I'm just gonna show you how I cut up a few, and then I'm gonna go off camera and cut the rest up, so this won't be no long video. So I'll put the leaves together, then I roll them up. Now you cut the greens the width you want them. I decided to cut them a little thin today. You roll them, then you just cut them. You can cut them again, like I said, to the width you want them. You can even, after you cut them this way, you can even cut them down the middle if you like. Depends on what you want. All right? Here, I'll do another little set just in case you missed something. But you can always rewind it. But why when I can just do it? Okay, I'm cutting out that stem. The big thick part of the stem I'm cutting out. And it's, excuse me, it's so messed up because hardly nobody eat this, but it's in there. They make sure they leave it there so it could weigh more. So we paying for something we don't eat. See, this stem is thick. All right, again, I got 3 leaves. You can put more. And when I get off camera, I am going to put more. I'm just going to put it together like this. And roll it. Roll it, roll it. Roll it tight. Like that. You see that? Now, just cut. Cut. People use the ones in the bag now. A lot, well, not everybody. They have the greens that's already cut. You can use those if you like. There's nothing wrong with them. I've used them before. I just wanted to get these today. Alright. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it to the rest of my greens. And I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I cut up all the greens. Now they're in the sink to be washed. Please be sure you wash these greens. They hold dirt. They hold a lot of dirt. Shake that water around. Salt, push that dirt down. You don't taste that salt. This is just to clean the greens. That makes the dirt settle to the bottom. You don't want no dirt in your pot. Please clean your greens. Clean your greens. In cold water. This water is freezing. I'm trying to take the cold on my hands. I can't stand the cold either. I can't stand the cold, and I can't stand the heat. I like it right in between. All right. So, clean some more. Clean and clean and clean. And then clean some more. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back again. I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video, I put my smoked meat on to boil. It's been on about, I would like to say about, I'd say about 2 hours. Because I like my meat to be soft. Because I eat this. A lot of people use the smoked meat just for seasoning. I eat this. Alright, so the greens are ready to go in. Now what happened with my greens, like I told you earlier in the video, in my neighborhood they make you buy them in the bags. They put them in big plastic bags, and you just go and look at the outside. It looks great. Then you get home, you open them up, and you go through them. Half of them are no good. My mind said to take them back. But I just salvaged what I could out of it. This is the collard and the kale mixed together. I just put it all together to clean them. It'll make the difference. We're in the same pot. And I tell you, these two greens together, woo, woo, woo. Delicious. Look like a lot, don't it? Wait till we come back. Stay tuned for the shrinkaroo. These greens are going to shrink to nothing. Alright, so I'm not going to season these as of yet. I'm going to just let them cook down. Put the top on. Let it cook down. And I'll be back when it's time to season them. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. So, yep. We can season these greens now. You see how they cook down? They're not puffed up over the pot anymore. Alright, good. We're going to season these now. Because you want them, the season to cook in it. You don't want to not have your seasoning. Alright, I neglected to tell you, I'm going to put onion in it. Not much. Just a little bit of onion. Just a little bit. Cut them up any old way because it's going to cook down. Nothing fancy. And I'm also going to put a smidget of garlic. This is the garlic that I made. Fresh garlic. If you watch my other videos, I told you what I do. I take the fresh garlic, I put it in the food processor with a little bit of olive oil, and I blend till it become a paste. This will last you longer. Instead of having garlic that you don't use every day, sit in your refrigerator and go bad. It either get hard or it get moldy. This way, this thing will last you a very long time. Alright, so I'm going to put some seasoned salt. Not much. I don't want salty food. don't like salty food, this is the onion powder. If it's powders, you can go extremely heavy if you like. Or you can go light if you like. This is the garlic powder. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing MSG. A lot of people don't use it. I do. Use what you like. I'm going to put some cayenne pepper. Not much. Cayenne pepper should go in layers. Well, all your seasoning could really go empty. All your seasonings really can go in layers. But this right here, definitely. You don't want to overheat that. We're going to give it a stir. Give it a stir. I'm doing it like this because this pot is hot. Let me get something to hold it. Alright. So I can really stir this the way I need to. Yeah. Bring the ones that's on the bottom up to the top. Yep. Smells good. I'm gonna put I'm sorry, I did bad with the ingredients in the beginning of the video. But as I go along, you know, I'll let you know. Like the onions and the garlic I didn't tell you about. And I also didn't tell you about this vinegar that I'm getting ready to put in here. Just a little bit. I'm coming right back. Here I come. I'm coming. All right. Well, good thing it calls for just a little bit, because that's what I got. A little bit. That's it. And the next thing I'm going to put in here, don't let me hear y'all mouths ooh and ahhing. Just a little bit of sugar. Greens can be very bitter. We're not putting a lot of in there. Not a lot. This is a teaspoon. That's all I put in there. You don't have to. If you like that bitter taste, that's fine. You know what you like. And I'm gonna just give it another toss. Now, I don't want no crunchy vegetables. See, I'm kind of taking my meat off the bone so the meat could be in the vegetables. But like I was saying, I don't like no crunchy greens. This is a Thanksgiving idea. So for Thanksgiving, we not steaming nothing. Thanksgiving is not a healthy day. We are not steaming it. We cooking this bad boy. We gonna cook it. And we gonna listen to everybody say, who made them greens? Who made them greens? And if you go and check out my macaroni and cheese video, they'll be saying, who made them greens? Who made that mac and cheese? Who did the mac and cheese? And if you want to get really, really, really funky on them, go watch my potato salad video. So they can say, oh my goodness, them greens, macaroni and cheese, and potato salad is bussin'. That's what the kids say, bussin'. But let me not play around in this. I'm going to let this cook down. And next time we come back, this should be done. You don't need no, one other thing, you don't need a whole bunch of water all the way up to there. You don't need that. Nah. That's good. I hope you can see it. The water is right there. See them? Right there. Right there. All right? So, I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. And like I said, when I come back, these greens was going to be done. Look at that. Oh, boy. Now, I did taste them. And I would advise you to taste your greens to see if it's enough seasoning for you. Taste them. Don't be scared to taste them. And don't be scared to use seasoning. Just be scared of salt. Put salt, just enough. Please don't oversalt your food. Oh, yes. Look at that. How easy was that? How easy was that? You could put some red peppers. If you want it to be really, really pretty, put some red peppers in there. That's what I should have did, but next time. You know, it just was so easy. I mean, how much easier could it have gotten? I know you can do this. The hardest thing with this whole meal was, should I use a plate or a bowl? All right, I'm going to turn it off. See all this? Oh, boy. Look how the meat just come right off the bone. Oh, look at that. Look at this. All right. Drain some of the juice off. Look at. I mean, come on, guys. Look at this. Look at it. Easy, easy breezy, easy breezy. Absolutely delicious greens. These are collard green mixed with kale. You could use collard greens, kale, and turnip greens, everything. You could throw all them greens in the pot. All the greens in the pot, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. All right? So, on that note, I'm going to end this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload these videos, you're going to know before anybody, because you're going to have the bell set. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Bye-bye.